Hello friends, good morning everyone. I am Praveen Das and today's video topic is the regulatory body ICH and COMS. Today I will tell you about the what is the regulatory body ICH and COMS. One by one, briefly discuss given below. Firstly, what is the regulatory body? Regulatory body is the public organization or government agency that is responsible for legally regulating aspects of the human subjects. Regulatory bodies are responsible for the regulates drug and food products, blood biological products, vaccines, tobacco products. However, they are also regulates. After that, the main responsibilities of the regulatory body is review the clinical trials, approval, give approval to the new drug manufacturing and clinical trial, testing of the clinical trials or the testing of the new drugs. And after that, the main responsibilities of the regulatory body is the to manufacture and import and distribute medicines all over the country. These are the main responsibilities of the regulatory body. Each and every country has its own regulatory body, and regulatory body also works under the health ministry of each country. There are the several major regulatory bodies of the country. That is for India, CDSCO, Central Drug Standard Control Organization. For USA, US FDA, United States Food and Drug Administrations. For UK, MHRA, Medicines and Healthcare Product Regulatory Agency. For Japan, MHLW, Medicines Ministry of Health, Labour and Welfare. After that, for Australia, TGA, Therapeutics Good Administrations. For Europe, EMEA, European Medicine Agency, and for Canada, Health Canada. That are the regulatory bodies of the different countries. After that, there are the three main functions of the regulatory body. Firstly, regulations, after that guidelines, and third is the compliance. The regulations means the law and rule made and maintained by the regulatory authority, and guidelines means only suggestions or the recommendations of the any things but not compulsions. And third one is the compliance. Compliance is the main important functions of the regulatory body. Compliance means to check the pharmaceutical companies are also followed or not guidelines and regulations of the regulatory authority by using the audit or inspections. These are the functions of the regulatory body. After that, COMS. COMS means Council for International Organization for Medical Science. COMS is also located in the Geneva, Switzerland. COMS are also found WHO and UNESCO. UNESCO means United Nations Educational, Scientific, Cultural Organizations. Means COMS. COMS are also formed in the 1949. COMS do not its own regulatory powers to create law, but COMS are also recommend or the suggestions of the law. COMS are also provide informations to the regulatory body. Then COMS forms are acceptable all over the world. COMS is the international non-profitable and non-organization agency. Then COMS provides 10 working groups. Each and every working group has different works or the responsibilities. Then after that, the ICH. ICH is the importance. ICH means International Conference on Harmonization. ICH is initiated in the 1990 The founding member of the ICH or the ICH is the Europe, USA, and Japan. ICH provides the guidelines for the harmonization. The main purpose of the ICH forming is the harmonizations. ICH provide 4 GCP guidelines, that is quality, safety, efficacy, and multidisciplinary. And also ICH providing 6 efficacy guidelines for the pharmacovigilance. That's all over. The ICH under the ICH working steering committee, there are the different department of the steering committee, global coordination groups, after that MEDRA management group, after that coordinator, secretarians, and for working group of the ICH, that is the expert working group, implementation working groups, informal working groups, and the last one is the discussion working groups. That's all about. Thank you.